Hey guys, it's Ram. Welcome back to the channel. Stray Kids. Stray Kids released their teaser, their MV teaser for their comeback. I'm excited. This would essentially be my first Stray Kids comeback. I want to watch the MV teasers, and I hopefully want to watch the guide before we get into the comeback because I'm excited. So, this is about 43 seconds long. JYP released the MV teaser 1 for Stray Kids, so we're watching it right now, guys. Here we go. These guys are so badass. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. No easy. Okay, I'm definitely excited. And what I really like about it is there was really no spoiler to this. It was just, it's an MV teaser. You don't really know what to expect. I'm sure you have actually an idea what's going on. Someone who's very new to the fandoms, who's very new to Stray Kids. I'm excited to be going through my first comeback. Like I mentioned, I really want to get to the guide before, so I'll probably do that next week's video, hopefully. I think the comeback's coming up really soon, so I may have to get it sooner than that. But anyway, I'm excited for this comeback. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.